Hey there. In this updated tutorial, we'll guide you on how to disable video autoplay when using mobile data on X using your Android device. Managing video autoplay settings can help you conserve your mobile data and have more control over your data usage. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Launch the X app to access its features and settings. Step 2. Tap your profile picture at the top left of the screen. Locate your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen and tap on it to access your profile settings. Step 3. Tap Settings and Support. Select Settings and Support from the menu options to proceed. Step 4. Tap Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Choose Accessibility, Display, and Languages to access display-related settings. Step 5. Tap Accessibility. Select Accessibility to adjust accessibility settings within the X app. Step 6. Tap Video Autoplay. Locate the Video Autoplay option within the accessibility settings. Step 7. Tap Wi-Fi. Finally, tap on Wi-Fi to ensure that video autoplay is only enabled when you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, thus preventing videos from autoplaying when using mobile data. Well done! You've successfully disabled video autoplay when using mobile data on X using your Android device. Enjoy a more data-conscious browsing experience on X. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.